Hello everyone, my name is Rohn-X, but you can call me Ron Tech. I'm 12 years old. My passion and vision is to reach all the children in this world and impact them with technology. Without time, let's dive in. Today we're going to be talking about Farmer AI. Farmer AI can help you create powerful websites, standing websites, and you can create them in any type of way that you want. And Farm AI has many different type of features, but today we'll just talk about the features that are here. Now let's create a new project, and you'll see how we can create different types of websites with Farm AI. Farm AI has many different type of features. Some of the features are page where you can add different type of pages that you want, landing pages, uh, portfolio, different type of pages that you want, and you can add different type of sections, that you want, ship sections, ship site sections, any type of thing that you want. And the next one is navigation, where you can see all the navigations that there are, where you can see the top bar menu, where you can see the features, gallery, blogs, and here where you can access all the navigations to your website. And the menus, where you can add different type of menus that you want. You can add simple menus, icons of menus, rows, and sublines. And the other feature is CMS, where you can add collections and different type of lists that you want from your other projects. And the next one is elements. The elements is so you can for creative you can get fit texts, you can get arc text, you can even put a subscribing icon. And for your YouTube, you can add countdowns, you can add the time and date, and you can even add wave patterns, grid patterns, and you can grid patterns, and you can add nose patterns. The next one is media. In media, you can add videos, GFIs, which is documents of your own. You can add different videos. Sorry, you can add images and GFIs. You can add videos. You can add YouTube videos of your own, or another person's YouTube video. You can add Vimeo. You can add you can add you can add Spotify, and you can even add Apple Podcasts. You can add SoundCloud, Apple Music, and Simplecast and PM and MP3. And the next one is forms. For forms, you can add form builder, where you can put your different type of forms that you want. You can add loops to signups. You can add uh, Convertkit. You can add a Mailchimp. You can add a wait list, and you can add from Spark. And for embeds, you can add calendars, you can add intercom documents, you can add Typeform and HubSpots. For icons, you can add different type of icons like you can add different type of icons like human icons, to memoji icons, feathers, heroes, icon, material icons, and phosphor icons. For interactive, you can get you can you can get local selectors. You can get a search navigation task, search navigation bar. You can add a cookie banner. You can add a ticker. You can add a slideshow, and you can also add a course law. And for social, you can add different type of platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Google Maps, Trustpilot, and Tage Map. Tage, Tage. Oh, wait, sorry. I think it's pronounced Tajembed. I will just leave it as that. And for utility, we can have lemon squeezy, Gumroad, code blocks, embed, copy clip. You can copy the clipboard. You can download anything that you want. You can add an open table. You can add a product hunt. You can add the fork, which is reserving for, let's say, eating or anything that you want. And the next one is M M oh yeah, sorry, Eventbrite. You can add stickies, you can add logos, and you can also add contra. And the next one is where you can change different types of frames, rows, and columns. You can add grids to your website. You can add images and different types of videos just by getting a frame. You can press F, Control F. You can, for rows you can press Shift plus R. For columns you can press Shift plus C. For grid you can press Shift plus G, and for image Shift plus I, and for video Shift plus V. And the next feature is for text, where you can add pages with different type of text that you want, and layers and assets. And the next one is collections, where the projects that you have in CMS collections, and you can import them into the CVC or add a blog for it. The next one is the boost area, where you can add different type of things that you want. You can add the AI place where you can generate different type of pages with AI. You can go to the project place where you can publish websites, open localizations, see version histories, even invite collaborators. And the next one is the viewing, where you can view your website and see if it's good. And the next feature is the set default language. You can change the language to any type of language that you want. You can change it to French, English, Dutch, and any type of language that you want. The next one is settings, where you can see all the settings. There's general, where you can change the site settings and different type of previews and accessibility, and HTML paste and navigation that you want. You can check the domains, where you can buy base domains, custom domains, or an upgrade of your own. And you can add different type of redirects, forms, and staging variants, analytics, where you can overview everything that you have done in your website. You can add different type of plans that you want, and different type of plans that you want. In mini, where you can have for $5, and in basic, where you can add for $15, and in pro, which is $30, and I will explain the rest once this video is about to end. And the next one is a preview section, where you can preview all your video, where you can preview all your where you can preview all your websites that you have done, or if you want to preview only one, you can preview it. And the next one is invite, where you can invite people to work with you and collaborate with you to build a stunning website. And the next one is publish, where you can get a domain of your own and publish it, so it can be a real site in Google, Safari, any platform that you want. The next one is the Welcome to Farmer. This feature can help you learn a lot from Farmer. You can watch different type of tutorials. You can try different type of templates. You can start with different type of things that you want. You can import your site. You can even get the desktop app. Now let's go show you other features. And other features in Farmer AI is the account, where you can see everything that you've done, your workspace, your sessions. You can even sign out or delete your account if you want, but don't delete your account because you will need it at one time to create your own website. And for settings, you can add different types of members that you want. You can change their status to creator, editor, or admin if you want. And the next one is plans, but you'll need the upgrade version for this. And there and is where you can see all the plans that you have. And the next one is permissions, where you can ask for permissions to do something from the admin in Farm AI. And the next one is fonts, where you can workspace add the way you can get workspace admins and editors can upload custom fonts to use the projects and websites that you want. And there's details and different type of details of your Farm AI or your company and logo that you put in it. The next one is updates, where it will take you to another another section, and it will show you different type of updates that you need to know about Farm AI. Now let's go back. The next one is community, where you can see different type of fellow editors that create websites and documents which you can collaborate with them and create stunning documents and websites. The next one is project, where you can access all your projects. You can access different types of folders. You can even achieve them or create a new folder. Now let's go to the last thing that we're going to talk about is the upgrade section. Over here in the upgrade section, you can change different types of different types of updates on different type of updates that you want. Let's go and let's go and show you how we can upgrade our. And as you can see, this is the upgrade section. And for monthly, you can get for $10, which is for landing pages. You can get for 404 pages. You can get custom domain. You can get 5 MB files and 5 MB file size limit. You can get 50 submissions and more. And you can get 1,000 visitors or more. And for basic, which is $20 per month, you can get for personal use 150 pages, password protection, 5 MB file size limit, one CMS collection, 500 form submissions and more, 10,000 visitors and more. And for Pro, which is $40 per month, you can get for bigger sites, 300 pages, analytics, tagging, redirections, cookie banners, 10 CMS collections, 20 MB file size limit, and 2.5K from submissions and more, and 200 visitors and more. For yearly, you can get for $5, which will have a discount. You should go upgrade your plan now, and which is the most popular one is the basic one. So you should go for basic. And if you liked mini more or pro more, you can go for whatever you like. And the next one is for landing pages. For $5, you can get 404 pages, custom domain, 5 MB file size limit, 40 from submissions and more, 1,000 visitors and more. And for $15 basic per year, you can get for personal use and 150 pages. You can get password protection. You can get 5 MB file size limit. You can get one CMS collection, 500 from submissions and more, and 10,000 visitors and more. And for Pro, you can get for $30. You can get for bigger sites, 300 pages, analytics, tagging, redirects, cookie banner, 10 CMS collections, 20 MB file size limit, 2.5K submissions and more, and 200,000 visitors and more. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Like and subscribe for more.